Beautiful. This is 6-inch fiberglass concrete. Some of the best stuff you can get your hands on. Little by little. Looks like this fella here is controlling the flow. He's got a little remote control in his hand. Got concrete going on outside. It's not gonna stop the work though. Chest day. We got a hell of a sight out the windows. Work must be done. That truck down there is out of here, emptied. Another truck pulling in. There's one currently being dumped. I'm not sure how many it's gonna take, but it looks like there will be a good bit. They've worked all the way around. Started in that corner, worked all the way around.